Hey everybody, it's Matt with Technology. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So today I'm going to talk to you about choices. The particular choice that I'm going to talk to you about today is your clothing in the weld shop. So I know the polyester blend, rayon blend shirts are real popular now. They're not lightweight, they're cool. They're also flammable, and I'm going to show you that. All right. So what I got here is a 4.5-inch grinder. Got a little bit of metal. Got an old blend shirt that don't fit me no more, and we're gonna show you what happens. It's gonna be loud. Here you go. Okay, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but what we end up with is embedded metal into this shirt. So the sparks are, red hot, and when they hit the shirt being made of what it is, either does one of two things. Immediately cools the metal and it sticks in the shirt, so now you've got metal fibers scratching your belly and breaking you out, or it'll catch on fire. You never know which one it's going to be. Plus, it will chew holes in the shirt, and there will be tiny little microscopic holes. So if you were welding that now, you'd have little bitty sunburns all over you. Now, let me show you what happens with a torch. Well, torch works better when the gas is on. Kids, don't try this at home. So let's say you're going to do a little cut. There was smoke. I don't know if you saw it or not. That was blowing right through. Not good. All right. Now, when you are using a torch, here's one thing that will happen. Occasionally, they get close to you. All right. That's a leather glove. That's warm, but it's not going to burn it. It'll get close to you. See what happens right there? That's just a brushing of the torch across there. Now you see that? That's burning like plastic, because that's what it is. This shirt, all of your blends, they're made out of oil. Oil's flammable, okay? It's no fun, kids. You don't want to get burned. Now, if you wear the proper equipment, such as weld leathers, like that, it will get hot, but it's not going to catch on fire unless you sit there and hold it on it. Okay? Now, let's say you are welding and your clothes catch on fire. Here's all you have to do. Okay? That will put it out. Now, if you're wearing that shirt and you you're going to mash it into your skin, and it's going to be stuck to it, and it's going to be a nasty scar. Okay, you're going to end up with scars anyway if you're in a weld shop, but you might as well wear the right clothes so you don't end up with more than you have to. All right, hope this makes sense. Hope you had fun. If you do want to try it at home, don't use your good clothes. Okay, y'all have a good day.